6.25. And I gotta get some more stuff for this throttle. It's gotta go. The brakes, I'm gonna have to tune them up, maybe get some brake pads.
And we got this pressure washer with this engine. It's got a 208cc motor, and I think this is what we're gonna put in that mini bike over there. Yeah, and it's pretty much brand new. We got it for super steal. We got it for 75 bucks for this, and we're just gonna disassemble it and put it in there.
We'll see you in the next update. Now that I got the little thing off, the water thing, I'm gonna try to start it now. First pull. That's how I know it's good. Well, yeah. I'm gonna go back to the time lapse of, I might take off the engine. I might just leave it like this. I'm definitely getting a new carburetor for this. What's up, y'all? It's the next day, and Martin is not here with me or Colin. They both went home last night, and I'm gonna go show you the time lapse of me taking off the engine and everything. So I have mostly gotten everything off. Stickers, handlebars, brakes, fenders. I didn't take the motor off, the wheels, and that's pretty much it. The chain and like some other cosmetic stuff. But I don't know if I should keep the fenders on or use the fenders on both sides. I don't know, it really does look a little bit better like this. The fenders do look a little bit weird, but it's definitely gonna look really clean with that. So I've just got all the engine bolts loose, and wow, I might. Sorry. Like I think I'm just gonna leave the fenders off. They don't look too good. So I just finished stripping the entire bike, any parts that we're not going to paint, and we have all the parts we have to paint. What's up, y'all? We're in the backyard, and I'm halfway done with sanding right now. I already washed it, and yeah, that's what it looks like. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, well, yeah, all good. Yep, bound to paint it. It's the next day. Martin's here. I'm gonna put a second coat on. I wanted to grind that down a little bit because it didn't really look too good. It did like rust through the paint because I'm putting clear coat. And I didn't finish this, so I'm gonna do that today.
Where's the electric one? Take it by Daniel. Last time. they're gonna be like there, because I'm probably gonna need to take this out. I'm gonna be like stripping it down and all that.
Just finished the engine. I'm gonna hit the wheels with clear coat. He's trying to get the engine out, or like
Lift it up.
suspension. Another video. But yeah, I think these aren't fully dry. I'm gonna wait on these. They're dry, so I'm gonna spray them. On the other side, I got the frame inside. Took it off. I have to take those off. What's up, y'all? I just got back home and I got all the mini bike parts. Let me just put so first off, we got the carburetor with the throttle. Then we have both the red grips. I got clutch bolts, that little spacer thing, tubes, the filter, gaskets, bolts, and little extra like tool and stuff like that. Red and black seat cover, 40-tooth sprocket, kill switch, a bunch of brake pads, and chain. And that's about it. Just finished the seat, and it looks really nice all around. The bolts all fit, and yeah. Next thing I'm gonna work on is I'm gonna put the forks on. So we got the front forks on, all nice, Loctite. Now I'm gonna put on all these like pegs, things like that. Yep. I'm about to take off the engine off the thing so we can do a governor delete. And yeah. So right now I'm halfway done about taking the engine apart. Not completely, but just for the governor, because my VM22 Mikuni or something like that carburetor doesn't work without that. Just got it open. Gonna have to replace the gasket though. It looks pretty bad. Yep. Alright, yeah. What's up, y'all? And I just made a gasket. Tried my best at it. Looks really good. Second time actually, because first time didn't really work too good. But yeah, got the governor all removed. What's up, y'all? It's the next day, and I'm about to put on the sprocket and the what's it called? The brake rotor. Yep, looks all good. I have to do the sprocket next, but yep, I got the gasket all good, all sealed all around. Made it myself. Did a pretty good job, I think. And then I found she sealed up the hole right there. Did a pretty good job, I think. Got it all on. Both sides. Loctite. Nice. They both hold air. So, might move on to put on the carb. Yep. And I just got the carburetor hooked up. Gaskets. The filter in. And the gas tank all connected. As you can see. What's up, y'all? And I just got something done on the mini bike, so let me show you. I just got the left brake and grip all done. That's next thing I'm gonna do is put oil in this thing. It's the next day and I just got the engine started. So the engine doesn't really fit that good. I'm gonna have to drill new holes. So yeah, I'm gonna go measure real quick. I think I just got the engine in the spot I want. I'm gonna mark some holes and drill them. Yeah. This is exactly when I want them equal on both sides. I measured chain lines up good. I don't think I'm gonna use the chain tensioner because it doesn't really work too well. What's up, y'all? Here, Martin and Colin. Drill the holes a little bigger. Hoping they fit good, but do a little bit more because you could see that some places it's not that good. And then down there, right there. Oh yeah, just finished. Cool, Colin. Martin's pouring a little bit, and yeah, I did a little bit of a chop job, as you can see. I'll just go over with clear coat. I can just wipe that off.
It's actually pretty good.
Maybe like an hour, 30 minutes. What's up, y'all? So our phone died, but all I basically did was put on the brake. Now I'm gonna do a little time lapse of the rest of the bike now. So as you just saw, I have everything on, everything all mid condition. I'm just gonna break the chain. What's up, y'all? It's the next day, and I have some bad news. The bike, we crashed it, so we didn't get any video of me driving it or anything like that, but it pretty much totaled the front end, the entire front like forks. Nothing happened to the engine though. The engine seems good, but I just got some parts in, so let me just introduce you to those. New gas tank, pretty thin, found it on Amazon. 22-pound valve springs. And this, oh wow, spark plug, like a performance spark plug that I got, really nice. And after that, put the valve springs on, just watched the video, and so yeah, this is what happened to the front, pretty bad. This is what happened to the go-kart, mild bash. Nothing happened to the seat. The air filter did pop off, but I just put it on. And let me show you the paint damage. Right there, right here. A little bit to the chin, I think, somewhere here. But that's pretty much it. But I just put in the valve springs, tightened them, and let's see if she starts. We gotta name this too. What do you think I should name it? Drop in the comments. Here, start. Nice. Well, thank you for watching this far. I'll continue tomorrow. It'll be all be in the same video. It's gonna be a pretty long video. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Just got back from school with all the parts and like the bar raisers and the tires. So let me just open this real quick. Just got them. And here's how they look. Really nice. So yeah. In my Messia garage. Got the first one on. Moving on to the second one. What's up, y'all? I'm outside and I just got the tires beaded up. Let me show y'all. They're all good. I just put it up to 20. Max is 24. I think this is good. Just got the other one side on, and I'm the new 52 sprocket. This is 40s 50. Pretty big. Yep. Just got both the sides on, and it looks really nice with the sprocket. So I'm gonna put these on. These forks. got those done. Update, got the back tire on, chain on, and the little thing. I'm gonna cut that because I don't like it. I'm gonna roll it for this for a little bit and then take a link out because it's just way too loose. But yeah, brand new tire on, feels nice. What's up, y'all? It's a couple days later, and let me show you. I got the brake on, brake assembly all nice and good, and I also got the forks tightened and bolted up. All we were waiting for, just got the bars mounted on. They look pretty good. It doesn't go all the way because I had to grind it down all the way. This is, okay, let me zoom that out. This is the best steering angle I can get. I could go lower, you could turn like farther, but I think this is pretty good. So I just got everything on, zip tied and everything. Looks really nice, and now I'm gonna put the wheel on. Just got the pegs all mounted up. It's running. Just gonna let it run. Yeah. The seat kind of broke, so I just unstapled everything, and I'm gonna be making a new one out of wood here. I just cut out this foam. So yeah, and like the engine was not really that bad, but everything really works well. I'll show you the final result, but that's pretty much it. All right, well, thanks. What's up, y'all? I'm in the garage, and I'm about to take off the muffler and put on that exhaust that I got and put on the seat. Yep.